Hello everyone, Jay Swaminarayan, Effective Technical Communication. The subject code is 313004. So today we are going to start. Let's start. Effective Technical Communication, Unit 5, Etiquettes. These are the contents of Unit 5, Introduction, telephone etiquettes, etiquettes for foreign trips, etiquettes for small talks, respecting privacy, time management, and learning to say no. So let's start. First of all, we must be aware of the introduction of etiquettes. So let's start. Etiquettes, it is a code of behavior that describes the expectation of social behavior of an individual according to the norms of the society, group or organization. It is a code of behavior which describes the expectations of social behavior, what you are going to do, right or wrong, like that. There are standard communication for the people working in organizations, and through etiquettes we can learn many more things. The way one must interact with others in personal or on phone is well defined in the professional world. So a person must have to be select a proper way, and what is the achievement, and he or she must be aware of his own achievements on his own path of success. Moreover, etiquettes of different countries are different as per their culture. So etiquette is also differ from country to country and from culture to cultures. And we must be aware of what is right and wrong and what is good and bad for us. Telephone etiquettes. The word telephone etiquettes, once we listen, the word it talks about the telephone etiquettes. Look at here, dear all. Telephone etiquettes, it is a matter of using courtesy and good manners. How to receive a call, how to give a respect to the receiver and caller, who you are, and your manners and your style of speaking. It tells you a lot. So a matter of using courtesy and good manners through telephone communications. एक्सप्लेन टेलीफोन एटिकेट्स, आपको इस तरह पूछा जाएगा कि एक्सप्लेन टेलीफोन एटिकेट्स. So let's start here on etiquette. It is a code of behavior that describes the expectation of social behavior also, and there are norms of communication for people working in organizations. So telephone etiquettes, a matter of using courtesy and good manners. One of the fastest way of communication is telephone. In today's techno-sci world, which is the fastest way of communication, it is called telephones. It is very handy, convenient and cost effective. Hence, it has become the most popular means of communication. The biggest challenge in telephonic conversation is that there is no advantage of the body language. The clarity achieved through eye contact and facial expressions is lost. Yeah, where we can't see gesture and postures of the persons, but there is no advantage of body language. So to overcome these, two things become important in telephonic conversations. Number one is the listening skill of the receiver. How can you become a good receiver? And number two, the tone clarity of voice of the speaker. स्पीकर की वॉइस की क्वालिटी कैसी है? द टोन क्लैरिटी ऑफ द वॉइस ऑफ द स्पीकर. The receiver must have to listen with more concentration what the other person how he or she listens me and give answer. The receiver must have to listen with more concentration than face-to-face conversation. Because there is a vast difference between face-to-face and telephonic conversations. So, whosoever is the receiver through telephonic communication, he or she must be clear that whatever he or she is listening is correct or not, and indicate that he or she is listening by saying okay, right, okay, like that. I see. So the speaker must keep a friendly tone and clear voice. The speaker must keep a friendly tone and clear voice. And even the correct choice of words is also important. So telephone etiquettes, the essence of dealing with people politely and efficiently over the phone can be boiled down to telephonic communication. Telephone etiquettes. Every day, on an average, a person spends more than 3 hours on phone. So it becomes mandatory to get through the basics of telephone etiquettes. So you must have to become a good speaker and a good listener in telephonic communication also. Placing a telephone call. If you are making a call, identify yourself first, who you are. Then ask to people to the person you are trying to reach. On finally reaching the person, before jumping into a deep conversation, ask if they have time to talk. Now आपको समझना चाहिए कि उनको टाइम है आपके पास कन्वर्जेशन या टॉक करने का, सो यू कैन फर्दर योर डिस्कशंस. Etiquettes for caller when other person picks up the phone. What do you have to do? Etiquettes for caller when the other person picks up the phone. When you make a call, start with a greeting like good morning, good afternoon, followed by your name and your organization's name. For example, good morning, this is Raz Mehta calling from TechFirst LP, like that. If you have called the office number and someone else picks up the call, then ask politely to put you to the person you wish to talk to you, but in a humble way. Okay, I would like to talk with XYZ person, then please you transfer this phone. If you are asked for the person of your call, give details. If the person asks you to hold while your call is transformed, you must have to say thank you to the person before your line is transferred. जब आपकी लाइन ट्रांसफ़र हो रही है तो वो सर और मैम को आपको कहना चाहिए थैंक यू सर और मैम. If the concerned person is not available, then give clear message to be passed on the person or ask for a convenient time. Which is a convenient time for me to talk with XYZ person when the concerned person is available, so that you can call back. Do not get irritated if you are put on hold for a while or because the person is not available. Maintain a friendly tone and end the call by a politely thank you and have a good day, sir, like that. Etiquettes for caller when the other person to whom you want to talks and picks up. When you start with a greeting good morning, like that. When you make a call, start with a greeting like good morning and good afternoon, followed by your name and organization's name. Before starting the conversation, first tell the purpose of your calling. You must have to share your purpose of your calling and how much time you will take. Then ask, is it good time to talk to you, sir? Like that. Maybe the person is in the middle of the meeting or driving or doing some important task where he or she cannot concentrate on the conversation. For example, I will just take 2 minutes of yours to discuss about the last order. Is it a good time to talk to you, sir? Like that. Keep all the information handy before dialing the number. It is very rude to call a person and then keep that person waiting because you haven't done your homework. Before hanging, say thank you with a pleasant tone. You must have to say thank you with a pleasant tone. Make sure that there is no noise around you before you make a call. So you must have to be clear in mind कि कोई है तो नहीं आपके आसपास. A person can disturb you. Etiquettes for caller when the person to whom you want to talk and picks up. So starts with a greeting, good morning, good afternoon, sir, like that. Set the purpose of your calling. It is the most important why you have called. Share one example. This is my I would like to talk this person and exactly this and this happened, so I would like to talk with this person. Keep all the information handy whenever you dial the number. Thank you very much, dear all.